Hi everyone, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your weekly forecast for the week starting from 5th to 11th July 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the sun, and this is pile B, which is the star. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the sun right here, possibly you're going to be quite up and about, you're going to be in spirits, or your optimism is also going to rub off on others. I think your sunshine is going to dispel the gloom that is there around you. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading pile A is the Devil card. Certainly, it is the material vibration that I'm picking up, so opportunities are going to come in to make gains professionally. Maybe you're going to gain something materially as well. In case you're already working, I think you can expect appreciation. Maybe communication is also going to increase, but then communication will bring those gains, so you need to capitalize on the same. Other than that, pile A, I'm also picking up that I think you should work on your relationships. Maybe you could feel as though you're being tied down or you're being bound, or there are restrictions imposed upon you by family members. In case yours is a romantic connection, I think you could be feeling the same. You know, it's also the devil energy, so certainly there's sexual chemistry here which I'm picking up between you and your person. I think this is the time to create that intimacy in a relationship. But then again, pile A, you should also be careful that there are people out there who could be quite lecherous or they could be quite dominating. The next card in this reading is Admired. Certainly you're going to be in the spotlight. Like I said, you did pick up the sun. So this card corroborates what has been said quite earlier in this reading. I think you should bask in the fame and adulation that is going to come your way. Maybe responsibility is also going to increase. Perhaps the administrator could saddle you with leadership position or some more responsibilities which doesn't pertain to your department, but then you don't want to step into the shoes of your superior. That is why you're going to sidestep the issue. Maybe you're quite reluctant. Nevertheless, I think there are opportunities here which you need to take. You're going to be quite imaginative and creative this week. Perhaps compliments could also be coming your way on account of your dress sense or your personality. The next card in this reading is Mushroom Dreaming. Possibly, something is developing quite rapidly here. Like I said, you should grab the opportunities. Deals could be inked quite quickly, so you need to make the most of the situation that you find yourself in. Maybe you're going to get those insights or intuitive messages from the universe. From Lenormand, we have this card, Birds. Communication is going to be the key here this week. Maybe there's also going to be job offers lined up. Perhaps many of you are also going to make your way for that interview. I think you can expect gossip or there could be chit chat. Maybe you're also indulging in gossip this week. Basically, pile A, you should communicate. A social talk is definitely a way to develop strong bonds with people around you. Gossip can also be entertaining and gossip can also de-stress us a bit. Interestingly, pile A, I'm also picking up that you should be careful of gossip swirling around you with respect to your own life. Archangel Raphael is asking you to seek divine intervention. Maybe you're concerned about your own health or the health of a loved one here. Certainly your angels are working behind the scenes. There's a miracle in the offing. You can expect things to move in the right direction. You just need to have faith and trust in the situation. Your prayers will definitely be answered. The last card in this reading is Parents. I think you need to resolve issues with your parents, maybe your mother or even a paternal figure here. Even if there are differences, you must realize that your parents love you. Maybe if you have issues with your dad, then it could affect your own confidence. On the other hand, if there are issues with a female figure, especially your mother, then you need to work on your emotions. Maybe you have difficulty receiving loving kindness from others this week. Largely, pile A, this week you are going to revel in this attention that is coming your way. All eyes are definitely going to be on you, so it's time to take a bow. This card, admired, so you can feel much loved and admired this week. I hope Pile you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is a star right here, this is your reading for the week starting from 5th to 11th July 2021. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Pile B, is the King of Wands. Certainly you're going to be someone who's exuding power. You're going to be quite creative and imaginative. Work-related recognition is definitely on the cards for you. Possibly, you will receive positive feedback. I think your focus is always on the customer or your client or those whom you are sharing your work with. So that is why this doesn't go unnoticed. Maybe it's also the time to promote your talents. Incidentally, your superior, someone who's jealous of you, could underestimate your talents, but then you're quite capable and you know that in her heart she knows so. The next card in this reading is family. Perhaps your focus is also going to be on the family this week. I think in relationships it is time to bury the hatchet. Maybe you should bond with people around you, even your friends. Sometimes, we can say something unkind. Maybe your mom is critical of you this week, so that is why you could retaliate. It would be prudent to hold your tongue this week. The next card in this reading, Pile B, is Shark, which talks about survival. It does symbolize authority like the King of Wands here. Perhaps you're somebody who is quite curious and efficient or even perceptive. I think you're going to guard your territory. Basically, you're someone who's not going to put up with nonsense. You're going to be quite strong and aggressive when it comes to opportunities and career matters as well. I think you should network a bit this week, or you should ask family members to promote your talents. From Lenormand, we have this card. Certainly, this is also talking about authority and hierarchy. I think you're also somebody who wants to protect your territory, or you want to guard yourself against jealous colleagues. Maybe there are people around you who tend to backbite, but then you should not isolate yourself. Maybe some of you also dealing with a very opinionated leader. Like I said, your jealous superior could underestimate your skills this week, but then you're going to come into your own, going to stamp your authority this week. Archangel Raphael is also asking you to think about detoxification this week. I think you need to clear your mind, your body. Maybe you need to focus on healthy food, which are devoid of chemicals. Perhaps some of you need to cut down on sugar or aerated drinks here. You can also sign up for a detox program here. Your body will feel quite energized if you enter such a detox program. Last card in your reading, Pile B, is the base chakra or the root chakra. Primarily, you're going to be focused on your material needs this week. Maybe you are going to think or ruminate about your prospects at work. But you should be rest assured that you're somebody who is going to come into your own. Sometimes, money on offer could be inadequate, so this could also affect your root chakra. That is why I think you need to cleanse your root chakra. You need to strengthen it a bit. All in all, Pile B, this week you're going to blossom at work. Other than that, I'm also picking up that you could be concerned about somebody around you, possibly a family member could be unwell, so you need to be the caregiver as well. I hope Pile B, you liked your reading. This is Tara with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.